couples therapist is pushier or kind of like guides or directs our sessions more than any other therapist I've had. And something really interesting that came out of that today was he suggested going into very, very early, meaning like the first 3, 4, maybe 5 years of my life, which I have never ever done in therapy because I don't have memories. Just would never occur to me to discuss those years in therapy because I don't have a narrative memory. And of course, he's aware of this, but he was talking about how obviously your brain is developing and there's like major development that happens in those first like 2 or 3 years, like crazy amount of brain development that happens, and a crazy amount of like attachment and like emotional bonding that happens or should happen. And so what is going on in your family or what your parents are going through when you're a baby and a toddler is a big deal to you personally. It's a big part of your story. And again, like I've known all of this, but it wouldn't occur to me to go over this stuff in therapy. So I love that he suggested this. And we got into some stuff that was super, super interesting and has me like rethinking some things and just looking at my experiences and my bonds with my parents and just a different way. And I've spent a lot of time talking about childhood trauma or childhood experiences in general in therapy, but I've just always based them on things that I remember in the sense of having a story to tell. And so I just wanted to share this in that maybe it's a good therapy session idea for other people. I imagine a lot of people have therapists who don't like throw out suggestions like that. And I would imagine I'm not the only one who has never thought to like talk about when they were 1 and 2 years old because they don't remember it. But that doesn't mean that there's not good material there to analyze from the perspective of just what you've heard was going on in your life based on what your parents have told you or older siblings or aunts, uncles, cousins, whoever is in your life that was old enough to have narrative memory during those years. What can you piece together about what baby you, toddler you was going through? And I don't know, it was really interesting. Just thought I would share because